learners, this is Archana, your science teacher. So welcome back to science class, and today we're going to study our lesson plan number 3, that is global winds and cyclones, and lesson plan number 4, that is severe weather, from the block weather systems and maps. And the aim of today's topic is to understand how global winds affect the movement of cyclones in the Bay of Bengal, and study about different types of severe weather and how people can stay safe during each type. Clear? So first of all, we study about global winds and cyclones. Students, in our previous class, we study about the air masses and weather fronts. So what are global winds? Global winds, they are a prevailing winds that occur at specific latitude bands on Earth. Clear? As you know, that the tropics receive more direct sunlight as compared to the polar regions. ठीक है, इक्वेटर पे क्या होता है, डायरेक्ट सनलाइट आती है, और एज पोलर रीजन्स पे वो स्लैंटिंग आते हैं या बहुत कम आती है एज कंपेयर टू द इक्वेटर. क्लियर? दिस अनइवन हीटिंग ऑफ डिफरेंट लैटिट्यूड्स along with the fact that earth rotates, clear, it causes to have a global winds. It means global winds are the prevailing wind directions or these patterns at a specific latitude bands on earth. ठीक है, स्पेसिफिक लैटिट्यूड्स पे जो ये पैटर्न्स आपको विंड्स के नजर आ रहे हैं, दीज आर नोन एज ग्लोबल विंड्स. क्लियर? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मच ऑफ इंडिया इज अंडर द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ द ट्रेड विंड्स. इंडिया में मोस्टली ट्रेड विंड्स आती है. जनरली वो कहां पे लोकेट होती है? दे ब्लो फ्रॉम ईस्ट टू वेस्ट बिटवीन 0 to 30 डिग्री नॉर्थ लैटिट्यूड. इस लैटिट्यूड 0 to 30 डिग्री नॉर्थ लैटिट्यूड के बीच में जो विंड्स होती हैं, दे आर ट्रेड विंड्स. क्लियर? एंड parts of northern India are more influenced by the westerlies, which blow from west to east at 30 degree to 60 degree north latitude. Clear? Now what are cyclones? So cyclones are large scale stormy weather system characterized by very low air pressure at the center. cyclone के बीच में क्या होता है, जो उसका आई होता है, it means center of the cyclone, वो वहां पर लो एयर प्रेशर होता है. Clear? And the wind motion is counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere and clockwise in the southern hemisphere. Clear? Mostly in India, it is frequented by cyclones between the month of May and November. Clear? Now the question arises that between 0 and 30 degree north of the equator, there is a global wind. What is it called? As I told you, it is called trade winds. The trade winds steer cyclones west towards the east coast of India, and cyclones that move north eventually get moved east due to the westerlies. Clear? It means westerlies के according जो cyclones अपनी directions को change कर देते हैं. So students, meteorologists, they predict the path of cyclones using satellite photos. As you see in figure number 6, this is a picture of a cyclone which is taken by the satellite. It is a cyclone which comes in Odisha in 29 October 1999. You see, this picture is taken by the meteorologist and they predict the cyclone, the path of the cyclone. Clear? Knowledge of global winds, they are also help to predict the path of the cyclones. For example, the trade wind caused many cyclones to enter the Bay of Bengal and make landfall on India's east coast. Clear? So students, this is all about of this topic. Now we do a next topic, that is lesson plan number 4, that is severe weather. In this topic, we study about different weather systems, different weather paths, clear, and how people can stay safe during each type of these weather. Clear? For example, the first one is thunderstorms. Thunderstorms, they produce heavy rain, winds, lightning, hail, and or tornadoes. Clear? Thunderstorms form along cold fronts. ये हमेशा क्या होते हैं, thunderstorms cold fronts में ही के साथ साथ बनते हैं. And during thunderstorms with lightning, people should seek shelter indoors. Clear? Thunderstorms क्या होते हैं? They are large cumulonimbus clouds that produce heavy rain, lightning and hail. जब बहुत ज्यादा lightning होती है, hail होती है, उसको हम thunderstorm बोलते हैं या तूफान बोलते हैं. Clear? कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट सेफ्टी टिप्स हमें रखनी चाहिए, जैसे फाइंड शेल्टर इन ए बिल्डिंग और ए कार. डू नॉट सीक शेल्टर अंडर ट्रीज एज लाइटनिंग विल ऑफन स्ट्राइक टॉल ऑब्जेक्ट्स. कभी भी टॉल ऑब्जेक्ट्स के पास नहीं जाने से, मान लो पेड़ों के पास अगर हम जाके खड़े हो जाते हैं तो ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, क्योंकि लाइटनिंग हमेशा टॉल ऑब्जेक्ट्स के पास आती है. क्लियर? एंड मूव अवे फ्रॉम सोर्सेज ऑफ वाटर एंड डू नॉट स्विम. डू नॉट स्टे इन ओपन फील्ड्स. इफ यू कैन नॉट लीव एन ओपन फील्ड, क्राउच लो टू द ग्राउंड, नीचे की तरफ बैंड हो जाओ, बिल्कुल क्राउच हो जाओ. क्लियर? एंड टॉर्नेडोज, these tornadoes, it is a dark funnel of strong winds that spiral upward. स्पाइरल देखो, जैसे आप स्पाइरल बाइंडिंग कराते हो ना, जिस तरीके ये देख रहे हो, दिस इज नोन एज स्पाइरल इस पिक्चर के अंदर. क्लियर? सो these are dark funnel of strong winds that spiral upward. They can form inside large thunderstorms. Thunderstorms के बीच में ही बनते हैं ये. During a tornado warning, people should immediately seek shelter in basements or interior rooms. Clear? If you are outside and cannot get a shelter, अगर आप बाहर हो, आपको shelter नहीं मिल रहा है, you get into a ditch, ravine or a cave. किसी भी गुफा में छुप सकते हो. Clear? Get low in a tucked position and cover your head with your hands or arms. Stay away from windows and exterior walls of building so that आपके ऊपर वो चीज ना गिर पाए. And a cyclone, it is a very large and violent tropical storm in the South Pacific and Indian Ocean. अगर हम इंडियन ओशन की बात करते हैं यहाँ पे, तो जो साइक्लोन है वो बहुत लार्ज एंड दे आर वेरी वायलेंट. वायलेंट कहाँ पे होते हैं? These are the tropical storms in the South Pacific and Indian Oceans, including the Bay of Bengal. Clear? Cyclones in the Northwest Pacific, they are called typhoons. It means cyclones को ही नॉर्थ वेस्ट पैसिफिक में हम टाइफून्स बोलते हैं. Cyclones in the Atlantic Ocean and Northeast Pacific Ocean, they are called hurricanes. साइक्लोन्स, टाइफून्स एंड हरिकेन्स, ये तीनों एक ही चीज होती है, सिर्फ डिपेंड करता है इसकी स्पीड के ऊपर. जैसे जैसे स्पीड बढ़ती जाती है, इनको इनके नाम चेंज हो जाते हैं. क्लियर? जैसे these storms are called cyclones when they happen in the Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. अगर इंडियन ओशन और बे ऑफ बंगाल में होते हैं तो इनको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? साइक्लोन्स बोलते हैं. इनको टाइफून्स बोला जाता है when they happen in the Western Pacific Ocean. अगर ये पैसिफिक ओशन में होते हैं साइक्लोन्स तो इनको टाइफून्स बोलते हैं. And they are called hurricanes when they are in the Atlantic Ocean and Northeast Pacific Ocean. और Northeast Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean में इसको हम लोग hurricanes बोलते हैं. They are very wide storms and which can cover hundreds of square kilometer. Clear? They all are begin in groups of thunderstorms from in the tropics. In same group of organized thunderstorm, a low pressure center form called a tropical depression. Clear? It means center जो part होता है जहां पे low air pressure है, that is known as tropical depression. Clear? That is known as tropical depression. Now, what is a blizzard? A blizzard, it is a snowstorm with high winds and low temperature. They are frequent in the mountainous area of northern India during winter and do not attempt to travel during blizzard. Clear? It is a large snowstorm, मतलब बर्फ के जो बर्फ का तूफान होता है उसको हम blizzard बोलते हैं. With wind and speeds greater than 56 km/h and temperature below -7 degrees Celsius. Clear? Heavy snowfall होता है blizzards के टाइम पे. Warm air flows into cold air. It can snow in one place for hours. The biggest danger from blizzard are strong winds and freezing temperature. Clear? And we have to do some important safety tips so that we can prevent from the blizzards. They are: find shelter and stay away from doors and windows. If a running vehicle, to keep warm, open windows to avoid carbon monoxide poisoning. Clear? आप लोगों को अगर आप गाड़ी चला रहे हो वहां पे तो अपने आप को गर्म रखने के लिए you have to open windows to avoid carbon monoxide poisoning. Clear? If walking in slow, keep moving. Do not lay down to rest. Cover your skin and face and wear warm clothes. Clear? So there are some safety rules. There are some preparation we should do. We should have to done in advance of all types of severe weather. For example, people need food, water, proper clothing and shelter. And other important items including a torch, fresh batteries, matches, candle, battery operated radio, blankets, first aid kit, fuel for cooking and cash. It means हमें ये सब preparations रखनी चाहिए कि जब हमें कभी ऐसा कोई तूफान आने वाला है, हमें पहले पता चल जाता है तो we have to leave that place. तो उस place को छोड़ने से पहले हम लोगों को अपने पास कुछ जरूरी चीजें जो प्रॉपर रखना चाहिए, जैसे कि a torch, fresh batteries, matches, candles, battery operated radio, blanket, first aid kit, fuel for cooking and कुछ कैश. एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ फूड, हमें कौन सा फूड रखना चाहिए अपने पास इमरजेंसी के टाइम पे? वी हैव टू स्टोर अ कैंड फूड और ए पैक्ड फूड, हैव ए लॉन्ग शेल्फ लाइफ एंड आर इजी टू स्टोर. क्लियर? एटलीस्ट 1 gallon ऑफ वाटर पर पर्सन पर डे फॉर ए मिनिमम 3 day सप्लाई. क्लियर? So this is all about this topic. I hope you all are understand. So students, now we do our worksheet. So open your workbook and on page number 47, the first question is, which global winds most affect the Bay of Bengal? So in Bay of Bengal, trade winds are most affected. Clear? In next question, how do global winds affect the movement of cyclones in the Bay of Bengal? It means a global wind called the trade wind blows from east to west between 0 degree and 30 degree latitude. As cyclones move into the Bay of Bengal, they are generally moved to the west due to the trade winds. Trade winds की तरफ से वो अपनी directions change कर लेती हैं. Clear? In Bay of Bengal. Clear? And the third question, the map shows a cyclone in the Bay of Bengal over a 4-day period. So you have to write that which state should most likely issue a cyclone warning for the next 24 to 48 hours and why. So Andhra Pradesh should issue a cyclone warning. Clear? This is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh should issue a cyclone warning based on the cyclone's current track path, northern Tamil Nadu and southern Odisha could also benefit from a cyclone. Clear? Northern Tamil Nadu and southern Odisha, it also could benefit from a cyclone warning just in case the cyclone moves a bit north or south of its current western path. अगर western part से थोड़ा बहुत भी इधर उधर हो जाता है तो अगर साइक्लोन की वार्निंग मिल जाती है तमिलनाडु को और साउथर्न उड़ीसा को तो उनको भी फायदा हो सकता है, वो अपने आप को बचा सकते हैं साइक्लोन से. क्लियर? द ट्रेड विंड्स टिपिकली मूव साइक्लोन्स फ्रॉम ईस्ट टू वेस्ट इन द बे ऑफ बंगाल. क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप you understand this topic. So this is all about your topic. Thank you and have a nice day.